Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make a very tasty and healthy couscous salad. For this I have taken 1 cup of couscous. Couscous looks something like poppy seeds. Wash it once, drain all the water and keep it aside. This is vegetable stock cube. If you don't have the stock cube, you can boil small pieces of carrot, beans, cabbage, celery, onion and garlic for about 10 to 15 minutes in 1 1/4 cups of water. Reduce it to 1 cup and use the stock water. Now add 2 teaspoons of olive oil or sunflower oil to the couscous and add the vegetable stock, boiled vegetable stock water to it. Mix well and cover it and keep for about 10 to 15 minutes when it will become soft. It should be soft, only then the salad will be tasty. Now let's look at the vegetables. I have taken 3 colored capsicum, green, yellow and red. I have cut 1 carrot to small pieces and 1 zucchini to small pieces. I have taken 1 cup of garbanzo beans. Soak the beans for 8 to 10 hours and cook it in the pressure cooker with salt for 3 to 4 whistles and drain it when it will be soft. I have cut 1 onion to small pieces. Add 2 teaspoons of olive oil or sunflower oil to a pot, and when the oil is hot, add the cut onions and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. It should have its bite, but the raw smell should go. So saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you are watching my channel for the first time, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon and choose the all option. When you will get notification for all the videos that I post, and you can make the recipes and enjoy it and comment without fail. I see that many of you are watching my videos without subscribing, so I expect everyone to subscribe and watch, which is a great support to the channel. Do try all the recipes and comment without fail. Now add the carrot and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes, and when you prick the carrot with a fork, you should be able to pick it. That is the consistency we require for the carrot. Now add the zucchini and saute for a couple of minutes. Croutons with the salad is very tasty. If you don't have croutons, cut the bread to small pieces. Now check on the zucchini. You should be able to pick the zucchini with the fork. If you don't have zucchini, you may add cucumber. There is no need to cook the cucumber. You can use it raw. Now add the 3 colored capsicum and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes when it is done. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or sunflower oil to the bread. Take half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix well and leave it for about 5 minutes to marinate. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano to the vegetables. Saute, add coriander leaves and saute well. When you fluff the couscous with a fork, it should be like sand and it should be soft. Put the bread pieces in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for 10 minutes when it will be crispy. If you don't have an oven, you may fry it in the kadai also. Now add the couscous to a big bowl and add the cooked vegetables. The cooked vegetables will be cold by now. There is no need to eat the salad hot. Add the garbanzo beans, chickpeas. The chickpeas gives very good taste to the salad. I have added grape tomatoes, half the tomatoes. If you don't have grape tomatoes, you may use the regular tomatoes, 1 to 2 tomatoes. Tomatoes are very colorful and very tasty for the salad. Mix the salad well and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Mix well and taste for the seasoning. If you require more salt or pepper powder, you may add and mix well now. The couscous salad with the croutons are very tasty. Everyone will like it. It's a very healthy food and especially a very good food for those who are dieting and also for those who are diabetic. It's a real good healthy food. You may take it as a food itself for lunch or dinner. It's just not a salad. It's a very good food which is very filling and very good for health. So, I am sure everyone will try this and benefit the goodness of the vegetables and couscous. Let's meet in the next video.